wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best hand wringers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. Although the company suggests that the Detail King chamois is designed specifically for their cleaning cloths, there's no reason it can't dry all sorts of modestly sized items. It is fairly small though, with a roller that's just under 10 inches long. There are no gears to brake, and it will mount to a tub or a drum, but the round handle can be uncomfortable. At number 6, the Wringmaster Extra Wide is a breeze to assemble and has a dependable powder-coated steel frame that keeps it stable and sturdy over the long run. Adding to this longevity are hardwood bearings that hold up to regular use. This one's good for large towels and comes with a money-back satisfaction guarantee. However, it is too big for standard buckets. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the dyna-jet BL44 is a robust model that mates perfectly with a stand from the same company, though you will need to purchase that separately. You'll get plenty of use from it even without one though, since there are also clamps for bucket and wall mounting. It's equipped with bronze bearings and won't mar fabrics. It's a solidly built option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand wringers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Gill Manufacturing Heavy Duty is useful for squeezing every last drop out of tubes of paint, adhesive, or toothpaste. Its aluminum rollers and metal handle make it suitable for construction and industrial applications. It's easy to operate and resistant to rust. It's a budget-friendly choice. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Built with long-lasting rollers, the Wisemen Trading Hand Wringer is available in both black-coated and solid stainless steel. The latter is slightly more expensive, but they both offer reliable resistance to corrosion. It's made in the USA and should work even on jeans. It's easy to set up. At number 2, the dyna-jet BL38 is a sturdy choice that's designed to extract up to 90% of the water from towels and chamois cloths. The openings on its tub brackets are nearly 2 inches wide. It squeezes tightly and has a steel frame. It's simple to operate. And taking the top spot on our list, the Northwood Calliger 360 comes with zinc plating and a steel frame and roller shafts. It attaches to nearly any surface thanks to an angled clamping mechanism that can fasten horizontally or vertically. It offers an adjustable distance between the clamps and features a lacquer finish on the handle. It's reliably resistant to rust. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand wringers, or simply click beneath this video.